Hello boys and girls, and welcome to Avocado English. Today we're going to be looking at animals in English and Italian. Let's take a look at our first picture. Our first picture is an otter. Otter. In Italian, lontra. Lontra. Otter. Lontra. Our next insect is a butterfly. Butterfly. In Italian, farfalle. Farfalle. Butterfly. Farfalle. Our next animal is a camel. Camel. In Italian, camello. Camello. Camel. Camello. Our next animal is a polar bear. Polar bear. In Italian, orso polare. Polar bear. Orso polare. Our next one is a mountain goat. Mountain goat. In Italian, capra montagna. Capra di montagna. So goat of the mountains. Mountain goat or capra di montagna. Capra di montagna. Our next one is a horse. Horse. In Italian, cavallo. Cavallo. That's where we get the English word cavalry from. Cavallo. Our next one is a fox. Fox. In Italian, volpe. Volpe. Fox. Volpe. Volpe. Our next insect is a cicada or cicada in English. Cicada or cicada, depending on the way you say it. In Italian, the word cicala. Cicala. So in English, cicada. In Italian, cicala. So D in English, L in Italian. Cicada, English. Cicala, Italian. Cicada. Cicala. Our next one is a mantis. Mantis. In Italian, mantide. Mantide. Mantis. Mantide. Mantide. All right, it's quiz time. Which one is cavallo? Ding, 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 ding. Which one is volpe? Ding, 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 ding. Which one is orso polare? Ding, 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 ding. Which one is farfalle? Ding, 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 ding. Very good, boys and girls. Let's continue. Our next animal is a sheep. Sheep. In Italian, pecora. Pecora. Our next one is a wasp. Wasp. In Italian, vespa. Vespa. That's right, just like the scooter. Vespa. Wasp. Vespa. Our next one is a cat. In Italian, gatto, gatto. Cat, gatto. Our next one is a dog. In Italian, cane, cane. That's where we get the English word canine from. Cane, dog. Cane. Our next one is a zebra. In Italian, zebra. Zebra, zebra. Our next one is a spider. In Italian, ragno. Spider, ragno. Our next one is a deer. Deer. In Italian, cervo. Cervo. Deer, cervo. Our next one is a seal. Seal. In Italian, la foca. Foca. Seal. Foca. Alright everybody, it's quiz time. Which one is pecora? Ding ding ding. Which one is ragno? Ding 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 ding. Which one is lontra? Ding 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 ding. Which one is cane? Cane. Ding 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 ding. Alright, our next word is wild pig or wild boar. In Italian, it's cinghiale. 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 Wild boar. Cinghiale. Our next one is a bee. Bee. In Italian, ape. Ape. Thank you so much for watching, boys and girls. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Parents, if there's anything that you would like to see, please request in the box below. And please share this video so that we can have the funding to make more videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.